All right, so there is fondant in there, and I woke them up. They got a little irritated. They're coming to the surface here. So there's bees in there. They're currently just out of cluster. They can still get to the fondant. That was one of my concerns. I'm glad that one is showing me they can get to it. So looking in this one, definitely a lot of concern. That paper got wet before the season. You can see back there, nothing on the fondant. This is what you see when you discover problems or dead outs. Take a quick look. There's bees. All right, so here we go. They're up here, they're up on the fondant. That's 3 for 3.